ये लगता है कि हम लोग सत्ता पक्ष के हो गए, आप लोग ऑपोजिशन के हो गए. दिस इज रियली रिडिकुलस एंड इट हैज बीन सोली. या तो आप बोलिए या मैं बोलूं. आप तो गाना इतना अच्छा गाते, गाना गा दीजिए. I can't ignore them, because if I ignore them, they will pass anything that they want. हाउस जो है उसका मतलब सिर्फ हम नहीं होता है, हम सब होता है. और इस बिल में उसकी कमी है. इसमें उसकी कमी है. इसको स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में दिया जाना चाहिए. This needs to be discussed very, very seriously, because it's a very, very important bill, according to us, people who are present here. सर, मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. 2-3 चीज बोलना चाहती हूं. एक तो I want to know the actual definition and the present definition of घुसपैठिया और शरणार्थी. पहले हम कहते थे अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश से जो है वो हमारे शरणार्थी हैं. Are you still standing on those lines, or you have changed it? There is a change. I don't want to make a provocative. Sorry? वो तो है, वो तो है. Sir, I'll just give few suggestions if I may. Sir, there are terms such as damage, threat to national security, and inadmissible foreigner. I don't know जिसने लिखा है वो हिंदी में सोच के अंग्रेजी में लिखा या अंग्रेजी में सोच के क्या लिखा, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Because this is not translating into action. These are just mere words. These must be clearly defined to reduce ambiguity and ensure uniform application of the law. We must create a dedicated immigration appeals board or tribunal where individuals can challenge decisions, which is very difficult keeping the present government in mind. They don't like challenges. Decisions made by immigration officers before resorting to high courts. This would make justice more accessible, if it is possible during your regime. Amend Clause 16, shift the burden of proof from individuals to authorities. This ensures fairness while maintaining accountability in enforcement, which you don't believe in. Add provisions for processing asylum claims in compliance with international conventions, such as the UN Refugee Convention. This would uphold India's humanitarian commitments while distinguishing refugees from illegal immigrants, घुसपैठिया or शरणार्थी. Amend Clause 26, as everyone else has said, to restrict warrantless arrest to officers of higher ranks. Example, inspectors ensuring proper checks against misuse of power. Yes. Last line? Boli? Last line to bole de?
Okay.
Streamline reporting requirements for universities, hospitals, and hotels through a centralized digital system rather than imposing manual bureaucratic process. Introduce a graded penalty system based on the severity of the violations rather than blanket punishments that deter legitimate carriers and travelers. Sir, ये बिल जो है हमारी पार्टी की तरफ से और हमारी तरफ से, और I hope a lot of the people sitting here, ये लगता है कि हम लोग सत्ता पक्ष के हो गए, आप लोग ऑपोजिशन के हो गए. Because this is really ridiculous, and it has been solely. या तो आप बोलिए या मैं बोलूं. आप तो गाना इतना अच्छा गाते, गाना गा दीजिए. I can't ignore them, because if I ignore them, they will pass anything that they want. they have, वो क्या कहते हैं कि दोनों तरफ आंख, नाक, कान सबको कवर करके माइनॉरिटीज को टारगेट करने के लिए बनाया जा रहा है। Sir, I request, please send this bill to a special committee. Let them review it seriously. It is going to have very, very serious repercussions. And internationally, we will get ashamed. We will be shamed by the international community. Thank you.
Yes, wonderful. Very important.
Next speaker,